Imagine you have a big house with lots of rooms and windows. You want to keep your house safe from burglars, so you install security cameras and alarms. But you can't watch all the cameras all the time, and you might not know what to do if an alarm goes off. Abuzz Technologies Managed Detection and Response, MDR, is like having a team of security guards who monitor your house 24/7. We watch the cameras, listen for alarms, and know exactly what to do if there's a break-in. In the world of computers, Abuzz Technologies MDR is a service that helps companies protect their data and systems from cyberattacks. We use a variety of tools and techniques to detect and respond to threats, including security information and event management, SIEM, tools collect and analyze log data from all of the company's systems to identify suspicious activity. User and Entity Behavioral Analytics, UEBA, tools monitor user behavior and patterns to identify potential threats, such as someone trying to log in to a system from an unusual location. Threat Intelligence feeds provide information about the latest threats and attack methods. Human expertise from experienced security analysts who can investigate and respond to threats quickly and effectively. These are things that your average antivirus or firewall will not detect. Abuzz Technologies MDR can help companies of all sizes to improve their cybersecurity posture and reduce their risk of being hacked. This is especially valuable for companies that don't have the resources or expertise to build and maintain their own Security Operations Center, SOC. Contact us at abuzztech.com or 215-600-0349 to schedule a consultation.